Now let's discuss myopia. Myopia is a refractive error, which is progressing refractive errors. And researchers said that in 2050, half of the population of the whole planet will be myope. So the basics of myopia as a refractive error is, for example, remember that as I said that in refractive errors, the refractive errors are all about the length of the axial length of the eyeball, right? So if the axial length, what is axial length? From anterior surface of the cornea to the retina, this length is called the anterior posterior length or axial length of the eyeball. So for example, if we talk about the myopia, the axial length will be increased from the normal, right? The normal axial length in adult, right? In a normal eye, it's 24 millimeter, right? In normal eye, in emmetropic eye. But if you talk about the myopia, the axial length will be more than the normal, right? Increased axial length or increased anterior posterior length of the eyeball, right? So this is one sort of, or one kind of myopia, right? So if we talk about more about myopia, if your cornea, cornea is like a curved surface, the anterior curved surface, right? Transparent surface. So in myopia, the power of the cornea or the curvature of the cornea will be more steeper. Your cornea will be look like this, the steeper. So this steepening, this curvature of the cornea will increase the power of the cornea, right? So increased power can cause myopia as well, right? So corneal curvature, the increased corneal curvature can cause myopia as well. And the third thing is, the power of the lens, right? The crystalline lens, the biconvex structure inside the eyeball. So if the power of the lens or the crystalline lens is increased or more than the normal, this can cause myopia as well. So these are different types of myopia. So if anterior posterior length of the eyeball is increased, if the corneal curvature is increased, or if the power of the lens is increased, these three different sort of issues inside the eyeball can cause myopia.